What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. In this video we're gonna test the Easy Clip phone holder. Let's do it. Okay guys, this is the new Easy Clip car mount. This is a phone holder, so let's open it. Open it. This is the phone holder. See? Okay. What else? Comes with the clip and this other clip. What else? Has this too, and this. Okay guys, this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the box, come with the manual, some membership card. This is the phone holder. This is the clip, the Easy Clip. It comes with two different clips. It comes with this one. It's like pliers, and this one you can has a small hook. You can rotate this and you can make it taller, smaller. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this one, and it comes with this one extra. Maybe with this one you can stick it here maybe and slide it. Yeah, but no, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so let's put it on the Supra. Let's see how it looks and how it works. Let's do it. Okay, one more thing, you have to press these buttons. Oh, let me see. You have to press one more thing, you have to press these buttons and it will open, and then you can put your phone like this and close it, and that's it. And if you want to release it, press the buttons. Okay, and also this one on the bottom, you can put it like that. Yes, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Let's install it on the Supra. Okay, so let's put it on the Supra. So this one, you can see, that's the one I like. Then you can rotate this one to make it longer or tighter. That's cool, I like it. So let's put it on the car. Let's see, this one is better. Okay, let me put this one like this, and then this one, I think I have to make it longer. How long we can do it? Oh, very long. A little bit more. That's it. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so this one it's not gonna work for my Supra because the plastic is too long. For other cars it might work because in other cars this piece is shorter. So let me get the other one and let's try the other one. Okay, so this one didn't work. Let me see if I can remove it easier with one hand. Yeah, and put this one like this and like this. So this one, okay, the top nut, you can make it wider like this. Let me show you, or closer. Let me make it tighter like this. Okay, tighter, or you can open it like this. Yes, let's try this one. I think this one is the one is gonna work better. I really like the other one, but it's okay. Let's try this one. So yeah, woo, can see? You can see it, yeah. So let's make it tighter. I like it. You can see it there. And the bottom, I still have a space for the bottom. And I still can move this one. This one still works. Yes. Let's see if my phone fits. Let's see. I have the iPhone 12. Yeah. You have to push this one. So I have to make it like this. Have to make it tighter on the little ball. The other way. On this one I have to make it tighter. Okay, let me do it here, cause yeah. Okay, on this one now, let's put it like this and make it tighter. Yes. Yeah. And I still have a space for the buttons in here and the button here. Yes, I like it. Let's see if we can put the cord. Oh, I have to hold on. Okay. Yes, like it. Can see it there. Yes. Okay, one more thing I want to show you here, and even this is my Honda Pilot. Fits perfect, very good with the same style. You can see it, and I can still use this one, the directional tab for the air. It's amazing, I love it. Can see it. Yeah. It has a carbon fiber look. So that is great. Works great. I love it. Okay guys, let me know what you think about the phone holder. I like it a lot. The shape is very good, but in the future I'm gonna test wireless charger, because this one is not a wireless charger, because those are a little bit more expensive, around 50 bucks and up. But let me know what you guys think. If you want me to test one of those, put in the comments down below. But the link for this one is gonna be in the description of the video down below. Okay, Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and if you like the video, please like the video. That helps the channel a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you in the next video.